Welcome everyone to a new class. This time, I bring you an activity on the topic of the verb
ser y estar.
But before you start, I recommend two very important things. Keep the conjugation table for the verbs
Ser y estar.
handy. Or if you haven't mastered them yet, watch my explanatory video on the verbs
Ser y estar.
first. There you'll better understand how to use them. So with that said, let's get started.
Yo estoy en la cocina. Tú eres mi amigo. Ellas son estudiantes. Nosotros estamos en el parque. Yo soy músico. Tú estás en el hospital. Ella es mi vecina. Ellos son ingenieros. Nosotros estamos en el restaurante. Él está en el jardín. Él es mi jefe. Ustedes están en la universidad. Yo soy de Brasil.
This would be today's class. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. In order to take into account their doubts and make videos clarifying their doubts. Having said all this, I say goodbye and see you next time.